Hello everyone. So my name is Shubham and today I am going to present a 8285 program to search a number in an array of n numbers. So let's proceed. So let's understand the problem statement, which is as follows. Write an assembly language program in 8285 programming to search a given number in an array of n numbers. If the number is found, then store FO in memory location 3051, otherwise store OF in 3051. So we have to consider some assumption according to the problem statement. The count of elements in an array is stored at memory location 2050. Second assumption is array is stored from the starting memory address 2051. The number which user want to search is stored at memory location 3050. So these are the examples. Here are some examples I have taken according to the assumption I have made according to my problem statement. So here we can see a table of data and address at the memory location 2050. There is four. We have there is four at the memory location 2050, and here is our array of four elements starting from the memory address 2051 to 2054. In the second table of data and address at the memory address 3050, we have F2. This means that we have to search F2 in the following array. So we can clearly see that F2 is present at the memory address 2052. So we store FO at the memory address 3051. That means that F2 is present in the memory in our following array. The second example is that we are searching 17 in an following array. So we store 17 in 3050, but we can see that 17 is not present at the following array. So we store OF in the memory address 3051. So algorithm. This is the algorithm I have used to make my 8085 program to search a number in an array. Um, these are some steps we have taken. Make the memory pointer points to memory location 2050 by LXIH2050 instruction. Store size of array in register C. We have to store the number to be searched in register B. Increment the memory pointer by 1 so it points to the next array index. Store elements of array in accumulator A and compare it with value of B. If both are the same, then store FO in A and store the result in memory location 3051, and it's the end of the program. If it is not, store OF in A and store it in the memory location 3051. The next step is decrement C and check if C is not equals to 0. If true, go to step 3. Go to step 3, that is store the number. Store the following number to be searched in register B. Otherwise, it's the end of the program. So here is the code I have written in 8085 programming to search in number in the array. So I'm going to explain line by line that what's the meaning of each line in my code. So the meaning of first line is we initialize register H with 20 and register L with 50. MOVCM. This means that we assign content of indirect memory location M, which is presented by register H and L to register C. LDA 3050. We load the content of memory location 3050 in accumulator A, MOV B, comma A. We move the content of A in register B. INX H. We increment HL by 1, like M is incremented by 1, and now M will point to next memory location. MOV AM. Move the content of memory location M in accumulator A. CMP B. Subtract B from A and update flags of 8085. JNZ 2014. We jump to memory location 2014 if zero flag is reset, like ZF equals to O. MVIA FO. This means we assign FO to A. STA3051. We store the value of A in 3051. Halt. We stop executing the program and halt any further execution. MVIAOF. Assign OF to A. STA3051 stores value of A in 3051. DCRC. Decrement C by O1. ZNZ 2008. We jump to memory location 2008 if zero flag is reset. Halt. We already know what's meaning. We stop executing the program and halt any further execution. So this is the program of 8285 programming, by which if the following number is present in the array, it stores. If the following number is not present in an array, we store OF in 3051. If it is present in an array, we store FO in 3051. So thank you so much.